We love MORCOTE. We love it, we love it, we love it. Welcome to MORCOTE. I'm very hungry now. I take my shower and go and eat a wonderful Turkish breakfast. Let's see what surprise they prepared. Check her out. Wonderful, wonderful.
Dear passengers, we would like to give you some information regarding
Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe. This is our first tunnel. Oh, look at this. This is MORCOTE. It is 8 o'clock morning. Most of the cafes are closed. So we wait half an hour and then we take our coffee. So welcome to MORCOTE. MORCOTE. Behind me here you see what they call Streccia di Massare. It's a very, very old historical street. Then you have the seaside right there. You have nice view. Seaside on the other side. Oh, look at this. Everybody's speaking Italian. Now it should be 9 o'clock. Oh, we found water here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You need one single day in MORCOTE, and that's So what we do now, we go and we see the old town, just like 100 meters from here, and then we go to Valle Ferzasca. Maybe we swim there. See, the weather is really wonderful. Weather is excellent. It's about 30 degrees. We are ready, so stick around. Look at this. Look at this, the mountain. Look at the mountain here. We approach Andermatt. Oh. Come on, let's go to the top. Pause finish. Let's go. Go to the top of the top. Ladies and gents, now I'm going to show you my friends. Check this out. This is my friend. Cute, no? Hello, my friend. Oh, I love it. Oh, very kind. Hey, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Oh, look at this.